And a very good morning. It's Mark here. It is December 24th, Christmas Eve. It is 9:16 a.m. Eastern Time, 2:16 p.m. GMT. And welcome to you all. Like I said, Christmas Eve, which brings me to probably, and I think the most relevant or important part of my analysis this morning is to wish all X-Trade clients, all my fellow traders, a happy holidays, a peaceful, meaningful, festive season to all of you out there. Let's get back into the markets. And one more notice before we analyze the markets is bear in mind that the markets are trading under thin trading conditions. Markets close tomorrow on Christmas. And when you reopen the day after Christmas on December the 26th, there could be a gap, there could be pre-market moves, and you want to make sure that your account is funded to handle any moves that might happen while the market is closed before it reopens. So I think that's really, really important. And for those of you that have open trades going into the close in a few hours, just please be aware of that. Let's have a look at the big picture and see where we stand going into this Christmas break. US dollar index strong. US dollar strong. I'm looking here, 107.27. 107.27, that is the support. There we are today, the little red candle. Nothing has really happened. Kind of a doji, open and close at the same place. However, the trend is up, the bias is up. US dollar is strong going into the Christmas break. We have resistance at 108.25, and that's what the level that buyers will be looking to test. Sellers, of course, will be looking for a bounce down of the current levels at 108 and looking to come back down here and get to the 107.20 area. Let's look at the S&P. Which has had an inverse relationship with strong US dollar. You can see it's been sold off a little. Buyers trying to fight back here, not with much resolve at all. Sitting now at 6,047 is the level, and buyers will be looking to break above this 6,050 mark and higher, whereas sellers will want to bounce down off this current 6,050 area. But an inverse relationship, we've seen strong US dollar, but we have seen the equity markets being sold off over the last few days, looking to try and fight its way back. Our two commodities being gold and oil. Gold also, as you can see, trying to fight its way back, but the bias is down, the trend is down. Having said that, gold, I believe, has shown resilience in the face of a strong US dollar. And the minute it gets below that 2,600 level, buyers do seem to be stepping in. And you can see right now we're sitting at 2,614. Buyers are going to look above to test and go above that resistance at 2,632, which has been a strong resistance level. Of course, sellers will want to come down below the 2,600 level and look to retest the 2,590. If we look at oil, Brent oil, which was weakened last week and was sold off, there you can see on our daily chart, but it has fought its way back. In fact, it's fighting its way back right now above $73, $73.12. There you can see today's activity. Buyers will want to maintain above $73, perhaps even go up and look for $74, where sellers will look for signs, signals of a turnaround on the shorter time frames to see if sellers can take over and sellers can bring the price back below that 73 level and back to the, for starters, 72, and then look to test and visit and test support at $71.50. And then let's look at crypto. And when I say let's look at crypto, particularly we're looking at Bitcoin. There has been a strong, sharp reversal since the 108,000 record high, all the way down we've seen to 92,300. We're sitting now at 96,500. Seems to be looking like 95,000 is going to be pivotal. Buyers looking to go above 95 like they are right now. Maybe use 95,000 area as a support and a base, and to come back up and visit, or at least to test. There's the 99,800, the all-important 100,000 level. Buyers looking to trade between 95 and 100,000, where sellers will be looking for a turnaround here to continue the strong sell-off and downtrend we've seen, with lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, and come back down and test this 90 to 92,000 support area. Good trading, guys. Keep that discipline. And once again, I do wish all of you happy holidays and a peaceful, meaningful, festive season. I look forward to seeing you all on Thursday, the 26th. Good trading, guys.